As dawn rises in the morning sky, the day has already begun in one particular location, the heart of the Canteen kitchen. In this hub of culinary creativity, Michael, the head chef, is already deeply engaged in his morning ritual. Michael navigates his domain with a practiced ease born from years in the industry. Yet, the scene that unfolds carries an unexpected twist. Contrary to the stereotypical image of a chef, Michael is not sunk deep into a well-thumbed book of secret recipes or consulting scribbled notes on a scrap of parchment. Instead, his primary tool is a sleek, modern tablet. Its screen displays the user-friendly interface of the smart Canteen system, a game-changing piece of technology that is transforming the way canteens operate. This ingenious system is powered by the cutting-edge Internet of Things technology, which has since become Michael's silent partner in the kitchen. Its role is pivotal, providing Michael with invaluable insights into the daily operations of the kitchen, unraveling the mysteries of the canteen and its clientele. The smart Canteen system is like a digital sous chef that never sleeps, tirelessly gathering data to enable Michael to orchestrate the day's culinary performance with precision. One key feature, the air quality sensor, records readings throughout the day. These readings are then translated into a visually engaging graph, revealing the ebb and flow of foot traffic in the canteen. This data allows Michael to anticipate the busier periods of the day, helping him ensure that no customer is left waiting for their meal. Then, there's the population counter data, a crucial piece of the puzzle. Utilizing anonymized imaging sensors, it captures a snapshot of the average number of diners who frequent the canteen each day. This information is a goldmine for Michael, allowing him to strategically plan his daily menu with incredible accuracy. Take Tuesdays, for example. Tuesdays in the canteen demand an extra batch of Thai chicken curry, a dish that has gained the status of a crowd favorite. On quieter Thursdays, however, a smaller serving of vegetarian lasagna suffices. This smart system's benefits stretch far beyond mere quantity control. It also fosters culinary creativity within the constraints of a budget. For instance, upon noticing a dip in salad consumption on Wednesdays, Michael was inspired to experiment with a lighter Asian-inspired salad. This move reduced waste and offered variety to the diners, ticking two important boxes. The smart Canteen system also assists in considering external factors such as company-wide events. For instance, with a training session scheduled, which would draw away a significant portion of the usual lunch crowd, Michael can adjust his orders accordingly. This way, he ensures that resources are not wasted and every meal served is fresh and delicious. As technology continues to advance, the smart Canteen system undoubtedly stands as a testament to the positive impacts it can have on everyday tasks. With a training session scheduled, Michael adjusts his orders to cater to a smaller lunch crowd. By lunchtime, the canteen is a hive of activity. It's alive with the buzz of conversations and the clattering of cutlery against plates. Office workers, students, teachers, everyone's gathered here. They're all enticed by the delectable scent of Thai curry wafting through the space. This aroma is evidence of the effectiveness of Mikkel's unique, data-driven approach to menu planning. People are visibly happy, their faces lit up with satisfaction as they devour their meals. The contented hum of the diners is akin to a symphony for him, an affirmation of his hard work. As he surveys the room, he appreciates the smooth running of the canteen, which is now more like a well-oiled machine. The satisfied murmurs of the diners are music to his ears as he witnesses the seamless operation of the canteen. In the quiet hours of the afternoon, Michael reviews the day's food consumption data. He notes few leftover portions of lentil soup. He plans to creatively repurpose them into tomorrow's meal. This will result in a delicious lentil shepherd's pie, a testament to his culinary adaptability and waste reduction efforts. As the day wraps up, Michael reflects on how the smart canteen system has improved his cooking. It didn't overshadow his skills, but elevated them. Now, he's a chef powered by data, proficient in merging taste with cost savings, while lessening the canteen's ecological impact. The system brought a new epoch of optimization, budget friendliness, and waste minimization. The smart canteen system has indeed ushered in a new era of efficiency, cost-effectiveness, and waste reduction, ensuring a win-win situation for everyone involved.